I was able to pick these up from the TikTok shop for like $2. They're pretty cool, actually. So it's a Lightning. Sorry, my hands are a little wet. It's Lightning and also USB-C. It's also a 4-in-1, which is really nice. There you go. You just plug it in. This will light up and tell you if it's working or not, which they always work. I mean, these things charge crazy fast. Like, I put it up to my iPhone charger. This worked 3 times quicker. But $2 is kind of insane. I have them all around my house. But I got like 40 of these, so